Hello traders, Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. On daily basis in live market, we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today, Friday market, March 10th, after 120 we can say during the time of Euro market opening, we have received a sell call, sell signal generator. So red color candle open with a 100 point first target and 200 point second target. Like this, automatically you will receive calls in this chart. On daily basis, just watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading both are possible in this chart. Today we have received sell call at 40,585. That straight white color line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line, above one is the stop loss line. First target is more than 100 point, 40,483. So it is like 103 point. 103 point is required to the breakout of the first target range. During this time, sell call was moved in very slow momentum, but after 1 hour, market started to break out the first target range and it has given more than a 120 point movement in the downside direction. Like this today, sell call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the subscription detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.